18, 21, 21, ay 20.
18, 20. Next, 3.
3, 6,
3, 6.
3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 28,
7.
27, 30.
Very good. 4.
4, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. 18,
20.
16, 20,
20. After 20.
24,
After 24.
28,
Very good. After 28. Good later. After 28.
34,
32.
ay 32,
36.
36,
40. Isa pa. 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
6.
6, 12, 18, 21,
4.
ay 24, 24, 40,
30.
ay 30, 42,
36.
okay. 8, 6, 12,
6. 12.
6, 12, 18, 20,
4.
ay 6, 12, 18, 34, 30, 36, 36, 36,
42.
42. I got 8, 6,
6. 12.
okay, 6, 12, 18, 24,
Mhm.
30, 36,
Mhm.
42,
Mhm.
56,
48.
ay 48,
50.
54,
4.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 32,
36.
ay 36, 40,
42.
okay. 6, 12, 18, 21, 30,
Very good.
36,
Correct. 40.
42,
Correct.
46,
48.
ay 46,
8.
ay 48,
50.
56,
4.
54,
60. Isa pa.
6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 42, 40, 42, 40,
8.
okay. 6, 12, 18,
24.
6, 12,
6. 12. Okay. 6.
I'm gonna pee.
You're gonna be that? Okay. Go, go, go. Okay na, you're first na? Okay. Sige, 6 again. 6,
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 56,
4,
54, 70, I think
60. That's how you do it, ha? Okay, next, 7.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 42, 49, 56, 63,
8,
8, 12,
8, 16,
8, 16. I forgot that one.
8, 16, 24,
8, 16, 34, 30, 32, 40, 48, 56, 56, 64,
Hmm.
72, 80,
Very good, 9,
9, 9, 12,
18,
9, 18, 9, 18,
Di ba the number on this side is increasing? The number on this side,
9, 18, 9, 18, 37, 36, 45, 54, 50, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90,
Okay, very good, 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Very good. Next, ate, this one. Let's try to do this one. What did I told you, Benny? I already taught you, ate. Di ba, if the number on top and the number at the denominator is the same, automatically it's equals to 1, ha? For example, 2 all over 2 equals to 1. 500 all over 500 is equals to 1. X all over X, 1. Kaya remember, ha, pag number on top and the number at the denominator is the same, equals to 1. Next. Okay, next.
What times?
Did I already taught you times? Wala pa?
I forgot.
Di ba this one? If it is times, ate, automatically you are going to process it just like this one, ha? So 3 times 2, you put it in here. 4 times 3, you put it in here. Say daw, 3 times 2, how much, ate? 3 times 2?
There will be, 3,
3 times 2. How much? Skip down.
3, 6,
Oh, tama na. 3 times 2, that's 6. Next, 4 times 3.
4,
4, 8.
4, 8.
You memorize your multiplication table na? Wala ka memorize. Okay, it's 12, ate, ha? Next, ate, you are going to check, ate, if this number can be divided, ate. What do you think? Is 6 and 12, ate, can be reduced, ate, or not? By what number? Very good. 6 divided by 6, how much?
6, 1.
Very good. 12 divided by 6.
6, 8.
Ano, 8. Walang 8.
6, 12,
Oh, how much?
2.
Oh. So, ibig sabihin, ate, there is a big difference between multiply and divide, ha? Okay. So, you don't have any problem na in here, ate, sa minus and plus, ha? So, we are going to focus today at in here, okay? Sige. How about this one? 5 all over 7 times 8 all over 9. Sige daw. If it is multiplication, what we're going to do, gani? You go straight ahead lang. Start.
5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
Go put. Next.
7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63.
Very good.
63.
So, 40 and 63, can we reduce it? Hindi. Hindi na. Very good, ha? Okay, next. Did you practice your 6, 7, and 8? You're very good ba? Ang 6 mo, ha? You memorize your 6. And also your 3 and 4. Ha? Kaya always mo makalimutan natin. Sige daw. That one, go. 4 fifth times 8, 9.
4, 12, 4, 12,
Ano, 4, 12?
4, 8, 12, 15.
16.
4, 8, 12, 16, 18.
20.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
28.
28. 30.
32.
Okay. 32.
Ate, always remember, ate, si multiplication, it's almost the same adding, ate. Diba you say 4. If you forgot 8, what are you going to do with 4? You just add it with 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ibig sabihin 4, 8. Next, if you forgot the next of 8, what's the next of 8? 12. Oh, what's the next of 12?
16.
Oh, what's the next of 16?
20.
Oh, what's the next of 20? Well, if for example, if you forgot, ate, diba? That's ika 6 na. If you forgot, diba you remember, ate, that your last is 20. So what you're going to do? You're just going to add 4 lang. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Ibig sabihin, it's 24. After 24, what's next?
24,
Oh.
25, 26, 27, 28.
Very good po. Ibig sabihin, it's 28 in here. Next, for example, if I forgot mo, what's next sa 28?
29, 30,
1?
31, 32.
Oh, it's 32. Next, ate. Pero, I am saying to you, ate, if na-forgot mo lang. Pero kapag once na hindi mo na-forgot, ate, you are going to do pa rin yung mabilis ha, yung 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Diba? Oh, I already know talaga if you don't memorize the multiplication of table because you have a process, ate. So, dapat, you memorize your table of multiplication of 4 ha. Okay ha? I don't want ganyan-ganyan. I want to memorize it talaga ha. So that tomorrow, hindi ka mahirapan, ate ha. Okay? So, you are going to memorize for yourself, ate, not for teacher charts, okay? 4 times 8, how much? 30? 2. Oh. Ay, hindi ma'am. Okay lang ang buhay natin? Ha? Okay lang buhay natin?
Yes, sir. Kapit ang mag-logic ko.
Pero saan kasi? Ma'am, maybe bago na-notice daw ma'am na online. Bali ate daw ma'am, face-to-face online.
Diha.
Sa atin ngayon. Abot na kung muna ito. If ever ma'am, kung muna yun, para di matakan sila ni ma'am kung sir, atong buhatan ising ani. Tuluan na lang ako si Jeko kung paano sa pag-operate na siya. Kay, ang hitabo, din sa din ako gusto na, nagay ko kay syempre, tibok siguro alam mag-stay. Di mo pwede ma'am, kay, ang hitabo, din na ako yung mga uwan pa na bata. So, ang hitabo ani, tuluan na ako si Jeko, pero ang hitabo ganun ana, for example, kung na ay mga answer-ansiran ma'am, pwede man na, maka-answer ko, pero ang hitabo mo good, nang all of the time, ako ko ba? So, para ang may hitabo,
Anong pag-isip para sa una?
ang ano ma'am, pag online man daw, kay na ay answer, pero di sa atong daghan kaayo. So, ang hitabo, kung, ito lang pa muna, Subian.
Wala ka man sa GC.
Okay, kung grade 4 naman ma'am, grade 3 man ko di ba marikudo, so pag grade 4 light naman ko na. Pero, lakaw mo ang teacher sa atin na yung nasa office ba na sa
Pila adlaw.
mura ano ma'am, tulog ka adlaw yata ang face-to-face, duwa na adlaw ang day sa balay. So, ang mahitabo kasi, ano na ma'am, kaya alternate ba? Kasi ang Lunes, kay mula ko sa Ateneo, ang Martes, dire, Miyerkules sa Ateneo, Webes, balik ako dire, Biyernes, balik ako sa Ateneo. Mura ingana, pero hindi ko sure kung apil ang grade 4. Kaya mura ang grade 1 to 3 do ingana kaya ang mahitabo, pero yung pangtanong pa na to. Tapos, kung makuha mo ninyo ang libro ni Jaco ma'am, ang mahitabo, kay for example, kung wala mo ko, tapos naay paansiran, ang katong iyahang ang iyang mga libro, pag na ako ikopya, pwede na ako siya ma'am na di na ako tunaan na iyakan ako answer sa iyaha. Pwede, ingnan na ako siya na kuya, ingani ang maansiran. Sa ingnan na sa tapang kung naay klase, baka diyan man ko na ako dira.
Sige, masabot na ka.
Oo, sabot na. Tapos, so far, okay ang ano pa sa ko? Okay lang iyang, thank you. Kani, nag-advance na sila. Nag-advance sila. Kani, kabalo na ni siya, katong dito na ni Jaco, dito na ako siya karon, kay di ba, advance mas Jaco 1 year. Grade 4 na, ikaw ate, grade 3. So, tama rin yapon. Tapos ang patong isa na, grade 3 ko siya, kay dagang mga lesson na mali sa kabalo ba. Sige, tuluan ako, pero
Pero okay na sa grades.
okay sila daw. Kani mo, power na ko. Grabe ma'am. Ang yung spelling wala. Ang kay Jaco atong maton kay ang plano tan ako sa kay Jaco ma'am. Sa iyo na ako sa klase.
Si Chico.
Oo, so ang mahitabo for example, kung mauna ang klase alas 3, mga 4:30 to 5:30 dapat mauna na siya. Kaya kung hindi siya mauna ma'am, say balik lang gyapon akong niagi pwede ka 7 to 8 or kung hindi 7 to 8, 8 to 9.
Ako di lang mas.
Kaya wala mo ipasulod yata ni sila ning Ma'am Ping sila. Pero wala ko nag-commit kay Ma'am Ping ingon ako na ma'am. Kaya kung gusto dati, pwede na ako ni makasingan si Ronnie si Prince. Tama na gyapon kung July, kay July ko man ang klase sa ilaha. So, di ingnan ako si Ma'am Ping na pwede na ako sa makasihan. I-advance lang jud ako sila julo kay para pagka sulod sila klase, karong abi klase, kabalo sila. Pero kanang for example kay para sa kay Jeko na every gabi or some to kana na assignment, makalakaw jud ko. Wala ko sa Ma'am Ping kay ano ba, basin magduli-duli na og katong mga nakonsulta lang na parents. Magsakit sila ba? Dagan ko ano ma'am nakuha niya sa
Pero kasi ma'am, wala din sa RD.
wala na siya ma'am, si Ma'am Aya, wala na siya. So, mga to, pero pwede na to kuha kasi Ma'am Aya ma'am, kung ano ka ng online course, pwede na, sabutin na po na ako sa email ako siya.
Sabutan sa madam.
Oo, tapos nag-inform ko kay madam na ako yung pay-views kung 50 kay ang sukat mo sa tricycle, liga mahal na ba? So, nga ang resulta ako kasi madam, okay man po siya, 50 ang per hour, para saan sila, 50 na po sila. So, nga thank you ma'am sa pag-deliver ma'am. Thank you. Sige ma'am, sadami sila sa. So for this one ate, if malito ko gamit sa 4 times 8, diba, you will do 4, 8, well, you can do opposite ate, 8 times 4. 8, 16, 24, 32. Oh, it's the same lang. Ha? Okay, 5 times 9. Sige ate.
5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 45.
Oh, yes, 45. Masulat ate, 45. Next. Can we reduce this one? Hindi na. Okay ha? Next ate. By the way, did you understand teacher Charles? Hindi ha? Okay. This one. Sige daw.
Three, six, 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 12.
If makalimutan mo, add ka lang ng 3.
12. 14. Ay, 13.
Di ba 12? 13, 14, 15.
15.
So 3 times 5 is equals to 15. For example, ate, ano yung ibig sabihin Teacher Charles? Teacher Charles want ate yung continuous 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Well, if na-forgot mo, that's the time na you are going to add lang ate ha, plus 3. So you can do also this one ate. 5 times 3, 5, then 15. Oh, it's the same lang. Simple 15. Next, 4 times 6.
4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, ay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
Very good. 15 and 24. Can we reduce it in there?
Yeah.
By what number? by 3. Sige, count by 3 daw. Sige daw.
3, 6, 12.
Hmm?
Ay, 3, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good.
3, 6, 9, 10.
12.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15,
Hmm.
15, 16, ay, 20,
Hmm?
18,
Hmm.
20, ay, 21, 24.
Hmm. So both 15 and 24 were mentioned. Go, divide. 15 divided by 3, how much?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Hmm.
It's fine.
Very good. Next.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, ay, 21, 24.
How much?
8.
Hmm. Let's say kita isa pa. Next. Hmm. Nine times 2.
I'll stick back by 2.
9 times 2, sana mas easy? 2 by 2 or by 9?
9 is by 2.
Oh, sige, by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
Oh, stop muna. Oh, di ba the answer is 18. 9 times 2, 9.
9. Wait, 9. Wait, 9. 18.
No, the answer is 18 kaagad. Oh, if you skip count with 9, di ba it's easy lang? 9, 18. Kasi kung mag-2 ka, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Oh, di ba it's very hard or matagal? Oh, 9 times 2, how much? Oh, sulat 18. Next. Very good. 18 and 30, can we reduce it? Hindi. Sure? We can reduce it by? Try to skip count down. Any number na maisip mo ate. Choose a number.
3.
Try 3.
3, 6, 12, ay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20,
1.
21, 34,
Oh, di ba na-mention na sa 18?
34, 28,
7.
ay, 27, 30.
Oh, both 18 and 30 were mentioned sa 3. Oh. That's why it's very important that you memorize the table of multiplication. Because if you memorize ate, you automatically know that this is 18 and 30 is divisible by 3. 18 divided by 3, how much? Sige daw.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21.
Number.
Ay, okay. What's it? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18,
Di ba
21.
18? I forgot.
18 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 6, 18.
How much?
6.
Very good.
Is 10.
Oh, 6 and 10, can we reduce it? Hindi.
No.
Sure?
Ay. Yeah.
By what number?
2.
Very good. 2. Sige.
2, 4, 6 is 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's right. Five, 7, 6, 8, 30, 35. Is 8. Ay, 40. Is 40? 40. Six, 9. Ay, no, wala.
Do 9, kaya mas you know 9 kaysa sa 6. Skip ka by 9.
9, 12,
Di ba the number in here increasing?
Ah,
Forgot.
9, 18,
9.
27,
Okay, next.
37, 36, 45, 54,
Mm.
54.
That's it na.
Ay, is 9, 18, 27, 37, ay, 9, 18, 27, 36, 36, 45, 54.
Mm.
Is 54.
Next, can we reduce it? Hindi.
No.
Sure? You can reduce it by
3?
2.
Ay,
Oh, 40 divided by 2, how much? This one, ate, ha, teacher will teach you another technique, ate. It involves gani ate bigger number. It's very hard na ate to continue. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Diba, it's hard na. So this one, teacher will teach you another trick, ate, ha. Okay, step number 1, you have to ask. Step number 2, put the number on top. Step number 3, multiply. Step number 4, subtract. Step number 6, step number 5 is bring down. Step number 6, that is, repeat the process. Okay? So, babalik ka ate sa ask. So, for example, this one ate, di ba this is 40, tama? So, you put in here. We will start with 54 na lang. 54, you put it in here. The number in here, ate, is in this one. And you are going to imprison the number. Put the number inside, tapos the 2, ate, outside. What's the first step, gani, ate? This one. Ask. So this one, you have to ask, ate. 5 divided by 2. How many 2, ate, sa 5? Sure? How many 2 sa 5? 2. Or you can do skip count, ate. You can do 2, 4, 6. But it's greater than 5 man. So you have to reduce it, ate. So it will become 2. Okay, ha? Ulit, ate. 5 divided by 2. How much? 2, ha? Bakit? Why 2?
Because it's
If you skip count, 2, 4, 6. 6 is greater than 5 man. So you have to reduce. Ibig sabihin 2, 4. So it's 4, ate, ha? Okay? So this one, if you open your fingers also, if you group this one by 2, 1, 2. Oh, it's the same answer, right? So saan nilalagay? After asking, put the number on top. Hi. Okay? Sige, so you put it in here. 2. 2 times 2. That's 2 times 2. 4. If multiply gani, ate, you do this one, 2, 4. If divide, 2. Oh, it's 1, ha? Okay. So you put in here 4, ate. You have to put the number 4 sa number lang, ate, nag-i-ask mo, ate, ha? You have to put 4, ate, to the number, ate, that you've asked. Do not put 4 in here. Sa 4, ha, because you didn't ask 4, tama? Okay. Next. Di ba after multiplying, you have to subtract. So 5 minus 4, ate. 1. So after putting 1, what's the next after subtract? Bring down. Sino yung i-bring down mo? The next number, ate, to the 5. So you will put 4. Next, ate. Step number 6, repeat the process. 1 divided by 2, ate. How many 2 sa 1? No. So, ibig sabihin, ate, 1 divided by 2 cannot be. This time, ate, because 1 divided by 2 cannot be, 4 now will join 1. So, instead of 1, it will become 14. It will become 14, ha? 14 divided by 2, ate. 14 divided by 2, how much?
skip lang ito.
40, oh, skip count by 2. 14 divided by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14.
How much?
Is 7.
Very good. If divide, ate, oh, put 7. Saan may put si 7? After divide, that's asking. Asking, ate, means divide. Ha? So 14 divided by 2, that's 7. Saan ilalagay si 7? Step number 2, put the number on top. You are going to put 7 in here. After putting the 7 in here, multiply. 7 times 2.
Skip lang by 2.
Skip count by 7 ka na.
7, 14.
Oh, stop ka na. Kaya 7 times 2 man. Okay, ha? So after multiply, you have to put the number in here, 14. Next, subtract. 14 minus 14. 14 minus 14. Oh, this one, oh. 4 minus 4.
4 minus 1 is 0.
1 minus 1.
Is 0.
Final answer, 27. Kaya, we will do this one muna, ate. Okay, try daw to divide this one, ate. 28 divided by 2. What's the first step, gani? Ask. Sino yung i-ask? Si 2 lang muna. 2 divided by 2.
Skip lang by 2. 2.
Oops, not multiplying. You are multiplying. Divide, ate. 2 divided by 2. 2. That's 1. How many 2 are there sa 2?
2.
Ha? Divide this is your 2 finger. How many 2 can you see? 1. If it is skip counting, ate, oh, the answer is 1. If it is multiply, 2 times 2, 2, 4. Okay, ha? 2 divided by 2, that's us. 2 divided by 2,
2 is 1.
1. Saan may ilalagay si 1? Put the number on top. Next, after putting the number on top, multiply. 1 times 2.
Skip lang by 2, 4.
Oops. 1 times 2. 2 lang, ate, because that's 2 times 1, ha? Or if you're going to do the skip counting of 1, 1, 2. Oh, it's the same, di ba, an answer? O, saan may ilalagay si 2? Where are you going to put the 2? Under 2 only. Because, si 2 lang man yung i-ask mo, ate, di ba you didn't ask 18? Oh, after putting 2, you have to subtract. 2 minus 2.
2 minus 2 is 0.
Oh, if it is 0, ate, you don't need to put not ate 0, ha? Para hindi ka malito. After subtract, you have to bring down. Sino ang i-bring down? See? 8. Oh, you put it in here, 8. Next. Step 6, repeat the process. Ask na naman, ate. 8 divided by 2.
2. Skip lang by 8. Ay, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8
How much?
is 4.
4. Saan nilalagay si 4? On top. Next, after on top,
Yung
multiply. 4 times 2.
Skip lang by 2.
Ikaw, choose ka. Skip count by 2 or skip count by 4. It's the same answer. Oh, first step, 2 na lang. Sige.
2, 4.
Ate, 2 times 4. It's not 2 times 2. 2.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Very good. Oh, try to skip count by 4 daw. 4 times 2.
4, 4, 8.
Oh, it's the same answer. Right? O, saan natin nilalagay si 8? This one, under, ha? Next, subtract. 8 minus 8.
0.
Do we have to bring down? Hindi.
No.
Oh, wala nang number dito, so no bring down na. Final answer, 14. Show teacher Charles daw, be. Show teacher Charles.
I will ask.
Mm.
I will divide with 3.
3 divided by?
2, 4
4 is greater than 3. You have to reduce.
is 1.
1.
I put
If I open my 3 fingers, ate, how many 2 can you see?
1.
1. Oh, it's the same answer, di ba? Where are you going to put the 1?
Over here, under the 3.
On top. Di ba ask ba naman yun siya? So put the number on top, which is 1. After putting 1,
You multiply.
multiply.
I will multiply 1 and 2.
1 times 2. Go 1 times 2.
2.
Very good.
2.
Mm.
I will put 2 over here.
Over?
Here.
What number? Over? What number? 3. Very good.
And then, I repeat the process.
Wala pa.
I
Subtract.
subtract.
Very good. Subtract mo na.
I will subtract 2.
3 minus 2.
3 minus 2.
You put minus in here, oh. Beside 2.
Over here. 2 minus 2 is
3. Ate, 3.
3 minus 2 is 1.
Mm.
I'm gonna put 1
Very good. Put 1.
over here.
Yan. Next.
You bring down.
Sino bring down mo?
C6.
Very good. Step 6. Repeat the process. Repeat the process. Step 6. Ask ka na naman.
I will ask
1 divided by 2.
1 divided by 2.
Pwede hindi.
No.
Why?
I
There is no 2 in 1 ha. So, since 1 divided by 2 cannot be, 6 will join sa I1. It will become 16. O, 16 divided by 2. How much?
16 divided by 2.
Hmm.
I'll skip count by 2.
2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 12, 15.
Hmm.
Ay, 14.
14.
18.
Hmm. Lampas.
Ay, 18.
Wala from the top.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15,
14.
14, 16
Hmm. Tama na. 16 divided by 2, how much?
is 8.
8. Oh, you put 8.
Oh, over
Where?
here.
Very good. Tama. Next, after putting 8, what's next?
You put the
Very,
number on
oops. Put the number on top. That's the number on top next.
top. Is multiply.
Hmm. Multiply.
I'm gonna multiply with 2,
Saan? Saan may multiply si 2? 2 times?
18.
8 lang. Di ba this is the exact number that you put?
Yeah.
Oh, 8 times 2 or 2 times 8. What's the answer?
2, 4, 6, 8 is 4.
Huh? What's that?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 12, 15,
14.
14, 16.
Hmm, how much? 16. Oh, 2 times 8 is equals to? 16. Saan may ilagay sa 16? Yan, very good. You put it.
Under
Sige, 1.
then
6. Oh, 16 minus 16.
is 0.
Hmm, very good. So since it's 0, ate, di ba there's a number na? This is your final answer. 18 na, isa pa. Hmm, sige daw. 72 divided by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Hmm, wait lang. Di ba 7 divided by 2? 8. Close this one. This one, ate, oh, di ba 8 is greater than 7?
I will.
Oh, ibig sabihin, it's 3. If I will open my 7 fingers, group it by 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, di ba it's the same answer? Oh, 7 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Oh, where are you going to put the 3?
In the top.
Very good. Next.
You multiply.
Very good.
3, ano was it?
3 times 2.
3 times 2 is
So, count by 3.
3, 6, 6. I'm gonna put 6
Where?
here.
Under?
7.
Very good. Next.
I subtract.
Very good. Put subtract sign.
Here, I will subtract sign.
This one ba? You put minus.
Ay,
Saan ka maglagay ng minus?
Here.
Oh, beside 6. Tapos you put a line. You put a line under 6. Yan. Subtract.
6 minus
7. You read at the top 7 minus?
6.
Oh, how much?
7 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 1.
Hmm. Where are you going to put the 1?
Over here.
Oh, no. Di ba you put the number on top if nag-ask ka? Di ba you didn't ask man? Oh, so where are you going to put the 1?
Over here.
Oh, over there. Next. After subtract?
You bring
Oh,
down.
so you bring down mo.
This one.
Very good.
Put here.
No.
I did.
Yan. Next. Step 6. Repeat the process.
I ask.
Oh, ask.
I will ask
1 divided by 2. Is it possible? Not. So it will become
6. I got
12. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
How much?
Yes, 7.
Ha? Is that 7?
Ay, 6.
6. Where are you going to put the 6?
Over 6. Over here.
Where? On top.
Ay, okay.
On top. Next. What's next?
You multiply.
Multiply.
I multiply 6 and 2.
Very good. 6 times 2.
6 times 2.
Hmm.
6, 12
Hmm.
is 12.
Where are you going to put the 12?
Over here.
Very good. Next. What's next?
You subtract.
Subtract.
With 12 and 12.
You put sign lagi. Put sign.
Where? Here?
Beside 12. Hindi. Minus ba? Di ba in here?
Okay.
Oh. You put line. You put agad line. Line under 12. 12 minus 12.
Is 0.
Put 0. Since you don't have any number in here, ate, na i-bring down, this is your final answer. Okay, isa pa ha. You memorize this process, wala pa. You don't memorize pa, kasi dito na lang ha. I will put it in here, ate, so that you can do this one ha. If you want to see, or if you want to look. Okay. Ay, wait lang. Let's... Read down. Start.
I will divide with 2 and 1. Right?
So how to read? How to read? 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2.
It cannot
Cannot be. So what will happen to 1?
12 to 13.
Very good. Because 3 will join 1. So 13 divided by?
1.
Ano? 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Ay, 14.
Ate, di ba you need 13? You have 14 in here man. Di ba 14 is greater than 13?
Yes, I will select this.
Hmm.
Is 6.
Oh, where are you going to put the 6?
In here.
Very good. Next.